To troubleshoot AwardWallet sync accounts. Start by understanding the basics of how AwardWallet works. AwardWallet is a travel loyalty program management tool that helps users track their loyalty accounts, including frequent flyer miles, hotel points, and credit card rewards. The sync feature allows users to link their loyalty accounts to AwardWallet, enabling automatic updates and tracking of their account balances. Step 1 is to check your account credentials, ensuring that your username and password are correct and up to date. If you have recently changed your password, you may need to update it in AwardWallet as well. Verify that your account is properly linked to AwardWallet by checking the account settings page. Next, check for any sync errors or warnings on the AwardWallet dashboard. If an error occurs, it may be due to a temporary issue with the loyalty program's website or a problem with your account credentials. Try resyncing the account or waiting a few hours to see if the issue resolves itself. Another common issue is that some loyalty programs may require additional authentication or verification to allow AwardWallet to access your account information. Check the loyalty program's website to see if they have any specific requirements or restrictions for third-party access. If you are still experiencing issues, try removing and re-adding the account to AwardWallet. This can sometimes resolve connectivity problems or issues with outdated account information. Be sure to save any changes and wait a few minutes for the account to resync. To prevent future sync issues, make sure to regularly review and update your account credentials and settings in AwardWallet. It is also a good idea to monitor your account activity and report any discrepancies or errors to the loyalty program or AwardWallet support team. By following these steps and best practices, you can effectively troubleshoot and resolve AwardWallet sync account issues, ensuring that your loyalty accounts are always up to date and accurately tracked. Remember to stay informed about any changes or updates to loyalty programs and AwardWallet. And do not hesitate to reach out to support if you need further assistance.